How to do this add yours Instagram chain. Hello guys and welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. So first of all, I want to tell you what it means. So it means your age, your height, your anniversary, and then your astrological sign. So to find that sticker, you will have to go to your app, your Instagram app, and then search for Ali and John YTT. And then from here you will have to go to September, add yours at highlights, which is here. And now you have to tap until you find the desired sticker, and you can also check my other viral trends if you like. For example, this one with September dump. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? You have to wait until I will do the story for the video, and afterwards I will show you a tutorial to help you solve your problem with the add yours button. But first, let me do the story and afterwards I will show you the tutorial. So now you can go to our uploads and choose a photo from there with us. It doesn't really matter what photo you add. I will go with this photo right here. Now to add your age, you just have to go to text from the top of the screen. And then you can type in your age. Then place it where you want. And then you have to do the same thing with your height, your anniversary, and then your astrological sign. So once you're happy with it, you can share it with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Ali and John profile, and then from here you have to go to super viral at highlights, this time at super viral, and here you will find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here where the arrow points, and it will get you once again on my YouTube channel to a video which has only 2 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you with your problem, so make sure to click on that. If this video was useful for you, you can like it, you can subscribe to our channel, and you can comment down below your problems and if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.